Hi, Sample. What happened? Huh? What happened? Did your mommy take you to the park? Did mommy take you to the park? Are you tired? Yeah? Look at that smile. Look at my pretty boy. Oh, he ties. Yeah, mommy, leave me alone. Yep, ran him at the park right now with the ball, so he's dead. Oh, look at your tongue hanging out of his eye like that. That's so cute. Say bye-bye. Say bye, Mama. Mama.